today we discuss how to merge line and building. So first we add data. After add data we select first feature, we select first line and shift select second line and go to editor and merge. Okay, our line is merge, you see here. If you want to merge your building, so you see here is building, some building. If you want to merge it, so we select it, snapping on, so you go to snapping and on snapping, double click and we select it, match corner, and we select both feature and go to editor and merge and OK. You see here feature is merge